What's up guys, Tristan here, and today I have a very short video for you guys. I got my Samsung Galaxy S10 and it's currently locked. It has two locks. I'm going to show you how to do both of them. Number one, first you have the passcode unlock and then you have the carrier unlock. The passcode unlock is if you forgot the security code or the pattern is not working. So I'm going to show you how to bypass or how to restore your phone so that you have access to your phone again. And then I'm going to show you how to do the carrier unlock. That's in case you want to switch providers. So let's say you have your phone with AT&T and you want to use it with another SIM card like T-Mobile, or if you want to travel, you just want to pop in a SIM card and it will work. So I'm going to show you how to do the carrier unlock. We're going to start first with the passcode unlock and then we're going to switch to the carrier unlock. If you're interested only on the carrier unlock, please go ahead and skip to this minute because that's where we start with the carrier unlock. Okay, so we're going to start with the passcode or the security unlock. So the passcode unlock is if you forgot the code or the PIN code or your Face ID is not working. I'm just going to show you how to unlock or how to do a factory hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy S10 to be able to use it again. Keep in mind that all the information about this phone will be deleted. So that means pictures, data, contacts, everything will be gone. If you're lucky, you will have a backup on your computer or in the cloud, but otherwise, all the information about this phone will be completely wiped. And the last thing that I have to mention is that if your phone is locked with a Google account, you will not be able to access the phone because it will remain locked with Google. So just keep that in mind. All right, so with that said, let's begin. So ignore this part if you don't know the passcode, that's okay. We're gonna press and hold the power button and we're gonna press restart. As soon as we press restart, we're gonna press and hold the side button, the volume up key and the power button. So these three keys at exactly the same time. So just keep pressing and holding them until you get the Android logo. So as you can see here, I just got this menu right here. We're into the system and now we just need to use the volume up key and the volume down key to navigate, and we're gonna use the power button to select. All right, so we're gonna select where it says wipe data factory reset. We're gonna hit OK to confirm. You're gonna hit yes, and we're gonna hit OK. All right, that's gonna wipe the whole phone. So everything about this phone will be completely wiped. Now we're gonna click where it says reboot system now, and we're gonna hit yes. All right, that's gonna completely wipe the phone. It's gonna take a few seconds or a few minutes, but just be very patient. And once this process is completely done, you will be able to use your phone again. You're gonna get it, you're gonna see the original settings just as if when you got it completely new. So there you have it guys, now the phone is fully usable. As you can see here, I can access it and there's no problem. The phone is now unlocked and now it can be used without any trouble. All right, so first we're gonna start with the carrier unlock. I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it, but I'm gonna try to explain everything as clear as possible. All right, so the first thing you have to keep in mind is that your phone will be unlocked. That means your phone will be compatible with any carrier like T-Mobile, Metro PCS, or if you travel to any country, your phone will work. You just gotta insert a SIM card and you will be good to go. Now, there are a few things that you need to consider. Number one, your phone must not be stolen. So if there's a problem with your IMEI number, or if your phone has a report as lost or stolen, your phone won't be able to, we won't be able to unlock your phone. And this unlock is permanent, so you can restore, update, you can switch carriers, you can do whatever you want with your phone, and it will always remain unlocked. And the last thing is this doesn't matter if your phone is currently under contract or if your contract is fully paid. Doesn't matter, you will be able to unlock your phone. All you need to unlock your Samsung Galaxy is a computer, your phone, and a SIM card. By the way guys, unlocking a phone is not free, so we will have to pay something to unlock this phone, but it's worth every penny to have a fully factory unlocked phone. All right, so with that said, let's begin. So the first thing you have to do is to get your phone's IMEI number. To do that, simply dial *#06#. All right, as you can see here, you will get your 15-digit IMEI number. This is super important, all right? So ready? We're gonna go ahead and power off the phone. All right, so now we have to insert a SIM card from a different carrier. In this case, I'm gonna use a carrier, a T-Mobile SIM card because my phone is locked to AT&T and I want to use it with T-Mobile. So I'm going to insert a new SIM card, and then I'm going to power it on. And once your phone turns on, it will detect that it's from a non-supported SIM card, and we will have to insert the unlock code that we just got in the email. Alright, so as you can see here, I just got this message requesting an unlock code in order to unlock the network of the phone. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and insert the code that I got in my email. Alright, so after you have filled in the code, we're going to go ahead and click unlock, and we should get a success message. SIM network unlock successful. Perfect, guys. That means that the phone was successfully unlocked, and now I can use my phone with any carrier. Just to show you, if you can see here, I have T-Mobile, and it's fully working. I don't know if you can see it right there, but the phone is working. It's an AT&T phone working with a T-Mobile SIM card, and now it's fully ready to be used with any other carrier in any country. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to answer each question as soon as possible. Thank you so much. My name is Christian, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.